Okay, morning guys, here we are, 21st of July. I'm going to look at the strongest and weakest currencies that are running today. And we're also going to take a look at the economic calendar, see if there's any times you need to be aware of. Now, I do this every single morning. If you're part of the squad, you get to see it early. If not, it comes out a little bit later. Okay, let's jump straight into this. So, biggest mover and shaker is the US dollar has gained 3 points from the last data sample, and the CAD has fell -4. Now, how is that shaking the market? It isn't, not really. They're both pretty low at the bottom, but if we take a good look at what is moving and shaking, this lot here picks out the strongest and the weakest. So of the strongest basket that I look at, which is down here, which is the Euro, Pound, US, and JPY, we have Pound as the strongest contender. Now, that has rallied slightly. We did get a new Prime Minister yesterday, and there was a cabinet reshuffle, which was going on last night. It should be fully formalised this morning. New Chancellor, etc. So there could be what's called the Berman bounce at the moment. Just a little bit of a feel-good factor and one thing and another. And getting rid of the Chancellor, well, I don't think it's too bad a shake because the last one was terrible. But we'll see how the new guy comes in. He's very well respected and used to be part of the Treasury a long time ago, so he might actually know what he's doing. But time will tell, and that will ripple into the pound this morning. So we'll see how confident the markets are in them. So the pound is looking good, which of the majors, which is this section here, there's only really Pound JPY pulling out. So let's have a quick look. We can see of the markets that I trade every day. So we've got Euro dollar. Well, you've got Euro and dollar sitting in the middle, so there's not a lot going to be happening with that. Pound US, again, they're sitting together, so there's not a great deal of separation. Pound JPY, now they are either side. I like to see the strongest in the top three and the weakest in the bottom three. So that is a good contender. The problem with it is here, because we've got JPY gaining in strength, and we've also got the pound gaining in strength. So they're actually going in the same direction, and they're going up the scale in the same direction. So that's a bit of a worry. You've got Euro JPY sitting together, and then you've got US JPY. And again, they're moving up all in the same direction. So today is going to be a real hard day. I won't be running trades today. I'll just be looking to see which is the best option. And the best of the bunch appears to be Pound JPY. Talking of best of the bunch, this is the best of the bunch. Thank you very much. Get my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes it coffee. And away we go. So yes, Pound JPY seems to be best of the bunch. So I'll keep half an eye on that today. Drop this down into what's going on today. The first thing I do is take out the low impact. It won't change anything. So we've got a bit of a news going on. Well, it'll be coming in now. It's just on 7 o'clock in the morning. We've got the unemployment rate on the pound. So that, with the new Chancellor coming in, could be a little bit of a rally upwards this morning. See that. Once you go through 7 o'clock, it's a technical day. None of this will really affect the markets today. So Pound JPY, let the market settle, and I'll start looking at it sometime 9:30 this morning. Okay, guys, have yourselves a good one. Catch you soon.